Hi everyone, welcome back to Tasty Curry Heaven. Today we will be making Kabuli chana. And here are the ingredients. 250 grams of Kabuli chana, 1 large onion, green chilies, cilantro, onion puree, tomato puree, bay leaves, cumin and coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, red chili, ginger garlic paste, amchur, tea bags, 25 grams of chana dal and Kabuli chana. We have already soaked the chana in the water overnight and now we will cook it in the pressure cooker. We will add salt, ajwain, 2 tea bags and whole garam masala to the pressure cooker along with water and pressure cook it for 5 whistles. While our chana is cooking in the pressure cooker, we will make the masala for the chana. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a pan, onion puree from 1 onion, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, then add bay leaves and cook until the onions are golden brown. Add tomato puree, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin and coriander powder. Now we are just mixing everything together. Then we will add garam masala, 2 teaspoons. Add amchur powder, 2 teaspoons. Then we will add 4 green chilies. Add 1/4 cup of oil. When the masala is well done, the masala will start separating from the oil. Now we will turn off the gas and the pressure cooker has cooked for 5 whistles. We will remove the tea bags from the chana dal and we are now ready to put the chana into the masala. Mix the masala with the chana dal. Add some finely chopped coriander leaves. And we will let this cook for 5 minutes on a low flame. Our chana dal is now ready to serve and enjoy. It looks delicious and it smells really delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe for more recipes every single week. Now have a wonderful day, get spiced and thrive.